Alright. I have successfully plugged my Twitch to my Discord server. And I guess we can just go right back in. I have done a bit since last time. I finished the positioning system for this board. I have get pin C-frame, which takes in the screen position on the screen GUI, which is vector 2, and returns a C-frame I should put the pin at. And I added a simple change detection system, so it should conceivably place the pin. The difficulty pin works. I need to add the map one. I should probably do that real quick. I am reading chat by you. Stop spamming, please. And you're spamming me again. I have great taste in mods. Anyway. Oh, wait. No, there's no messages in my Discord. Yes, everyone loves chat spamming, don't they? So local location, script.locations, find first child, map. If it found it, we can position it. Otherwise, I'm going to keep it hidden. Map pin dot position. No, C-frame. I should probably just be copy pasting, but can't be bothered. Get pin C-frame from get center position of location dot location would be like this one dot pointer. So I take the pointer in the location, get the center position, get the C-frame for the pin based off that, and then position the pin. That should work. Now, can I actually select the position yet? No. Should probably do that next. Replicated storage. I will just call it select difficulty and select location. Now, I did port this whole lobby system over from another thing, and I think there is some old code here that I need to fix. Such as an update config. Okay, seems like I already cleared that out. I don't want this anymore. Update server config is where? There it is. Delete. We do not need that anymore. Save config. Do not need that either. Whenever someone makes a server, I believe it loads the config. I want to make sure that doesn't happen. Create lobby. Yeah, I don't want this. believe I don't need this either anymore. No errors, no errors. I may have broke 100 different things, so let's see if it errors. No errors. There's an error. Oh, right. I forgot. I actually changed the difficulty names. I fixed the spelling of amateur because I don't know how to spell amateur. Put difficult, impossible, and hell. Are you gonna have Tanglewood's Treehouse? No, but I was thinking about choosing one Phasmophobia map and making that an Easter egg that you can only access by doing a special thing. But I'm not sure if that's gonna be Tanglewood. We'll see. So I fixed the spelling of amateur, difficult, impossible, hell. Okay. God, man, really? You're really gonna do this? You sure you want to antagonize me? I said there are no errors. I know that for a fact that you know it's not a straight up ripoff, and you're just trying to troll me, because that's what you do. Yeah, people are saying that this is just a Phasmophobia ripoff. They're messing with me. It's inspired by Phasmophobia. I've tried very hard to make sure it's different. Uh, I added exorcisms, spells, completely new system for ghost activity. Instead of based off sanity, it's gonna be based off something else. Like I know what it is. I just haven't come up with a good name for it. Uh, They're traveling the whole world to get ghosts. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to make sense, does it? Okay. Maybe it should be localized to like this area, but I just kind of feel bad for the people. No, I was gonna probably keep them like the American speaking world, but like I was thinking, I just felt bad for people like in the UK playing this game, like Phasmophobia, and they see like the American world, like, hey, there are just no ghosts in England, which I mean, yeah, maybe it's a good idea to localize it. That shouldn't be hard to do. So let me just get a image. Let's see, uh, map of the United. Actually, let's just do North America. Maybe there can be some in Canada. I need a silhouette. Not a silhouette, outline. There are no ghosts in England since they all learned from the Queen. They gonna live 168 million years just like her. What? Here we go. This looks pretty good. Wait, why is it a GIF? Okay, keep looking. I don't want Greenland. Sure, I can't help you. I mean, pretty sure, yeah. Uh, I said GIF. Wait, I don't know. What I don't understand what you're trying to get across here. I would preferably not like to have these country lines. I guess it wouldn't be the end of the world if it did. Can it stop having a background, please? Can this stop having a background? Not that. Why is the world convinced that North America is just the United States? You want me to say GIF? Nobody says that. It is GIF. I know, but we're in the United States. This is the United States. This is not all of North America. It's false advertising. You see? This is a fake background. Everybody loves the fake backgrounds. They are everywhere on Google, and it drives me crazy. Okay, maybe I can choose like a background remover on one that has a white background that was good. I think I remember seeing a decent one up here. I can live with this one. It's a freaking SVG. Could someone have an actual file type? I guess SVG does work. I'd have to use a converter though. Roblox doesn't like SVGs. Person who invented it uses GIF? You're kidding me. That can't be. I refuse to believe that. I simply refuse to believe that. Okay, you know what? Maybe I can live with a white background. Maybe it's not the end of the world. Refuse to believe people call it GIF. I do. Yeah. I refuse to believe that people call it GIF. Choose file. North America. Well then, I think it worked. Yeah, you're right, you're not people. Oh wait, I'm dumb. There we go. Okay, so I need to change the scale type to fit. There it is. That looks weird. I don't like that. This is wrong to me. Okay, maybe it should just be the United States. Like this. Actually, I don't want Alaska in there. I don't want the state outlines either. I just want a freaking outline of the United States. Why is this? There we go. Please don't be an SVG. It's a GIF! Why are still images being downloaded as GIFs from Pinterest? What the heck? And now this is like crazy low res. It was short for graphics interchange format. I don't even know anymore. I'm trying to refrain from making a did I ask joke because, like, I don't like those. Why does this America look so fricked up? Wait a minute, it's so fricked up. What's going on here? What happened to Michigan? What happened to Michigan? It just kind of merged with the rest. Okay. Can I find something normal? Oh, it's an SVG. Whatever. I'm converting from SVG to freaking PNG, and you can't stop me. SVG to PNG. Thank you. That wasn't so hard now, was it? US map. Close this down. Go to the board. Background. Image. Add image. Choose file. US map. Create. There we go. Oh, Alaska's on there. I don't want Alaska on there. Is that so much to ask for? That Alaska is not on there. Featuring the lakes. Nestle finally did it. I need to center this. And now I can scale it down. There's a freaking border. You kidding me? Border size pixel 0. Why does this look so wrong? Oh, I know. There we go. Why does Texas look surprisingly small? I think my geometry knowledge is just dying. So I'm gonna use a photo editing software to get rid of the Alaska and Hawaii. Frick, I renamed it. Simply just erase this. Okay. Now I re-upload the image. Choose file. List map 1. Create. And there you go. Got ourselves a map. Now I want to position this guy over. Too much. This sounds like a kind of like Kansas type thing. I'm just gonna smack it down somewhere around there. It should go down a bit more. That's a bit too much. In full disclosure, I do not know where Kansas is. I'm just guessing. I should probably figure this out. Kansas. I don't even know why I'm specific on Kansas. Kansas. Ugh, I just called it Canvas. Oh, wait, it's over there. Okay, then. It's like smack dab in the middle of the U.S. Huh. I am ashamed that I did not know that. I am quite ashamed. That's not right. Anchor point should be 0, 0.5. Maybe. There we go. Kind of. Too far. Okay, close enough. Close enough. Montrose Treehouse right in the smack dab center of the U.S. And I don't like how the... Okay, yeah. Why not? I'll put it in Georgia. Why not? One sec. I'm gonna scale this up to the map. I think it'd make a bit more sense with the map now. I don't like the fact that I only have one map and it's in the center of the U.S. So I'm moving it. It can't. Roblox is a Christian game. You can't say hell. No, I looked it up. It's apparently fine as long as it's not like telling someone to go to hell or whatever. As long as it's not used against someone, it's fine. Which is very similar to my chat rules, which I still need a moderator to set up. By the way, hint, hint. I have no idea how to set it up. There. That's about Georgia, right? It's like Alabama, Georgia type area. Good enough. I could be a mod. Skelly. No. No. Those 3 dots. My viewer count just went down. I think Skelly left after that. And it's back up to 3. What do you know? Streamlabs is just like freaking delayed. Yeah, Streamlabs is just weird. Anyway, I have a new map, which feels wrong to me because I kind of liked it before. But I guess it's fine. The board feels so barren now. I feel like there should be more to it. But that's not important. Let's just be able to actually select the location now. It's probably a good idea. IV in pairs, script.parent get children. Do if v is a text button. Then we can assume that it is one of the difficulty buttons. I can say I'm gonna make like the inverse of this function. Actually, no, wait. I can just to all these buttons. I'm gonna add an attribute number. And I'm just gonna call it location index. Amateur. Oh, wait, no, difficulty index. I'm stupid. Rename the difficulty index. Okay. Amateur is 1. Difficult 2. Hell 4. Impossible 3. Yeah. Okay. Difficulty is the get attribute difficulty index. Make sure that exists so I don't make like a mistake. Difficulty. Then now we can tell the server we want to select this. Game.server storage. No, it's not server storage. It's replicated storage. Replicated storage dot select difficulty fire server difficulty. And we need to do something similar for the locations. No, parent dot locations. I can assume everything in there is going to be fine. And I just realized I didn't actually attach this to a click event. That's dumb. Activated connect function. There we go. So everything in the locations thing, I just do this. Select location v dot name. And then in this lobby management script, what to go all the way. Actually, let me do this. Let me put this somewhere that makes sense. For kick and ban and after join. Sure. Game dot replicated storage. Select location. Dot on server event. Player. What is it, King of Kai? What is it now? Front of Dragon Room. Pretty decent. Select difficulty, on server event, connect function, player, and I'm just gonna tell the compiler what type it is, just because. Also the tab complete, that's the main reason. So now I need to get the lobby this player's in, which I added a system for. The lobby player get attribute current lobby, and make sure they're in a lobby. Then if lobby.user ID.value is equal to player.user ID, then that means they're the owner, so they can actually set this value. I will say lobby dot config dot no, this is location. Dot location is equal dot value is equal to location. I'm going to say equal allowed locations. It's going to be Montrose right now. Say if lobby and table find allowed location. What? Allowed locations location. I found an echo gem. Cool. Then that should work. And then I should say local. Let's clamp the index. Math.clamp index between 1 and 4. And I'll just do a little bit of copy paste. Don't need to check this. If they're the owner, then difficulty is end. And let's see if that works. No errors. It does not work. Well then. Something that's really bugging me is that the background of these buttons do not match the background of that. So what I'm going to do, stop the test, go down here, background transparency 1. Now so they have a border. Actually, should it have a border? I think I should add a border to these buttons. Is a giant bird cage good? Yes. Yeah, break open the bird for some... that sounds so cursed, but you can break open the bird for some ores. You can also get, like, large things of chests you can vein mine. If you guys are confused, it's because my friend is asking me questions about a mod pack. Add a UI stroke, not contextual, but border. You can make it at least 2 pixels. Guys think I should have a border or no border? Border or no border? Oh my god, I can't talk. Border or no border? Maybe no border, actually. I'll go with no border for now. Yeah, for some reason, I was not actually able to do any of this. So, I will do... add a little print statement. And do a test. The same click. It's not going over to the server. So it's going to send over Montrose. Lobby management receives that in select location. It should be in there. Location Montrose. Montrose. It doesn't get in here. Is the attribute the problem? Did I do a capitalization error? I cannot talk. Wait, am I dumb? Oh, I'm dumb. It's current lobby. It's not an attribute. It's something inside it. I am dumb. Current lobby dot value. Hey, it selected it. And if there were more locations, I'm going to assume it would work. Everybody loves making assumptions in code. It always works out. I can select the difficulty. Very cool. These push pins are huge. I'm now realizing how huge these push pins actually are. It is setting. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to scale down that that pin though. It's huge. It's not actually there right now. Okay, now what does it look like? It's tiny as it should be. Now if I test it, does it work right? I guess we're about to find out. Okay, that's way too small. Oopsies. I think I made an oopsie. Holy crap, that is tiny. Yo. Wait, no, it's actually not that tiny. It's just really in the board. Hmm. Let me try moving it back a bit. Okay, so that does put it in the right position. Kind of. Oh wait, I can't test it in the server. I have to use frickin' free cam. It's definitely tiny. It's definitely a bit tiny. So let's fix that. Got a key piece? Cool. It actually might be the last one. Okay, that is a good size. I can live with this size. This size seems fine. Now I need to remove all these print statements because they are going to drive me crazy. Oh, crap. Made a mistake. Accidentally did the N. Okay, here we go. Now print statements. Okay. I'm happy with that. Now I need a system to add items to the server. So you're going to have an inventory of items that you're bringing. Of items, and there's going to be a list of things that you're bringing as well. So I'm going to need my flashlight model. Model flashlight. I'm going to add a folder. Table. Add a folder. Flashlight. Put that in there. Let's say I want the flashlights to go right here. Pretty good. Hey, you aren't in. Oh, whoops. Forgot to join the Discord call. There you go. Okay, 4 flashlights is going to be the max. I think that's pretty good. 4 people, 4 flashlights. You're not flying or anything? No. Okay, cool. It's only 4 emojis, so I'm not going to hold that against you. Sure, the primary part is set. And that's good. I'd like these to be anchored. Let's say no more than 5 emojis if there's like no text. I'm going to name all these locations based off the order I want them to fill in. Now I'm going to need to add billboard GUIs. Can't add an attachment to this right now. I'm going to add a part. Call this billboard location. Make it almost completely transparent. I'm going to make it completely transparent later. Size 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Cannot collide or anything, but it is anchored. Okay. Now I need to add a billboard GUI for these. Billboard GUI. Let's add a frame. Actually, no. Well, okay, for now I'm going to add a frame just so I get an idea of the size of this. Let's do... That's way too big. Okay. Rip. My viewer retention rate is just dying. This should mean that it's anchored at the bottom. Yep, that seems to be working. Now I can make this completely transparent. And let's position it down. Camera's gonna be like right here-ish. So yeah, that's pretty good. Let's make this actually a bit taller. Now I'm going to add to the top text label. Size. Get a bit taller. Background gone. Text scaled. Text flashlight. Texture transparency 0. Text color white. Font. Special elite. And I want there to be less light influence on this. That's actually kind of hard to see. I should make these a bit bigger. Position this at 0.35. Size it. Background. Text. Minus minus. Scaled. Stroke 0. Color white. Font. Special elite. Size I should have done 0.5. I don't think I'm gonna make the light glow. I mean the text glow. At least not now. Parrots. I wish they'd stop existing sometimes. I'm going to change the font for just this. Okay. text is going to be plus plus. This text is going to be plus. You press the plus to add one. You press the plus to add all. Kind of want to make these smaller. That was the wrong thing. I wanted to make it smaller on here. There we go. It actually seems a bit off. Perfection is time. Let's do 475. Is that actually it? That was it. Perfectly aligned. Now in center, I need to add the count. Text stroke should be black, but it should be visible. And then text color should be white. Mr. All content okay. Do I need help with anything? Not really. Yes, there is somebody else here. Very happy. Okay, I'm gonna locate location. I'm gonna put this in the center. Seems a bit big. Should be pretty easy to fix. Just scale it down on here. I want there to be a bit of a margin. I need to add 75. Wait, 475. There we go. So you'll be able to press the double plus to add all, minus to remove all, minus to remove one, plus to add one. Now I need to actually give these names. Oh, it left. Wait, never mind. I know I kind of want to do this myself because this is gonna be like my first actual project that I do all the coding for myself. I just don't really need help, and I'm trying to do this myself. I don't know. I'm confused as to why so many people in my chat are now like begging to help me. Bruh. Okay, thank you for specifying that you were joking. Move one. Add all. One. Name and count. Oh god, please don't let my chat become religious. Please don't let my chat become religious. I can't spell now. Can anybody spell? Has anybody ever been able to spell? So I'm going to call this add GUI. I'm going to put it in the starter GUI. And set Theodore. And I will make this a template that I will duplicate for every item over here. Sadly, this stream has to end in like 5 minutes because I have to host office hours. Because despite me being younger than everyone else there, I am a TA for a AP Computer Science class, which is very fun. Oh my god, my parents just keep popping in. It's getting on my nerves. Magic. I don't. What? Okay. Actually, what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this in the very center. Okay. And 2 is going to be what it looks like when you have 2. Three is going to be what it looks like when you have 3. 4 is going to be what it looks like when you have 4. Because that makes sense to me. Should probably put that back. Oh. Paste what I had in. Why is it all the way up there? I do it in there and then I move it in. Will it fix this up? Yes, it will. I'm gonna move all these things in there. Copy those, put that in. Why did it do this to me? Okay, and then what is 3 going to be like? It's going to be this one. Stop! Okay, give me that one. Duplicate this guy. Move them in between these two. Okay. Now, I'll duplicate that guy. In between. Okay. What I'm going to do, copy this, paste into not server script service server storage, and delete here everything like that. Okay. Okay, well, I have to go. You could probably hear my parents yelling at each other in the background. Oh my god, they won't stop. Whatever. Bye, I'm ticked off at my parents. Make sure to join my Discord server. It's on my Twitch connections. I hope I'll be able to stream again soon, but no promises, because my parents are making me do everything.